Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can put Instagram Reels to your story. Now, for you to put Instagram Reels to your story, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up Instagram on your device. Once you open up Instagram, go ahead and choose a reel that you want to put to your story. So go to the Reels page and choose a reel of your liking. And once you find a reel of your liking, click on this paper plane icon on the right hand side of the screen. Once you click on the paper plane icon, this menu will pop up on your screen. Now on this menu, on the bottom of your page, you'll see all these options. Now click on the add to story option like this. Once you click on the add to story option, the reel will be automatically loaded to your story. Now all you have to do is customize the story to your liking and then click on this your story option. As you can see, after you click on the your story option, the reel will be added to your story. I hope this video helped you to add reels to your stories. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.